Hi everyone, it's Alicia Pierce. I'm the founder of AskAlicia.com, an online beauty portal where women learn to create their own unique definition of beauty. Ask Alicia is a multi-ethnic beauty portal where we explore the unique features of each ethnicity. And in this first project we're working on, we're focusing all on Black beauty. So whether you're a professional interested in expanding your knowledge or a woman who's ready to take mastery over your beauty regimen, this is the course for you. In my course, Everyday Makeup for Black Women, I tell you how to create your own skincare regimen. I also show you step-by-step how to create a natural look, a daytime look pairing a nude lip with a smoky eye, and a stunning evening look. This course is only $95. That's less than $100 to get first-hand advice from a beauty industry veteran, me. The course isn't product driven. Instead, I'm giving you information on anatomy and cosmetic chemistry along with my years of makeup application expertise. So if you're ready to understand beauty at a deeper level than you ever have before, purchase this course focused on the beauty of Black women. To gain immediate access, click on the card now.